Holtop is the premier manufacturer in China, specializes in high-efficient heat and energy recovery ventilators, air conditioners, and environmental protection products. Our manufacturing facilities in Beijing, spanning over 70,000 square meters, are equipped to produce over 200,000 air heat recovery units annually. Holtop has attained certifications in ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001, along with product certifications such as CB, CE, ROS, UKCA, CRM, and CSA. Holtop's factory and laboratory are certified by CSA, and some ventilation products are ready for the North American market. Renowned for our expertise in heat recovery, Holtop's outstanding R&D team holds multiple national patents and won many awards in HVAC. Holtop's expertise thrives in mastering heat recovery and air handling technology, showcasing our independent development of heat exchangers, heat and energy recovery ventilators, air handling units, and air conditioning systems. Our commitment to quality has led us to provide ODM services for famous brands. Covering over 100 countries, our products maintain leading positions in both domestic markets and exports, consistently excelling in performance and demand. Dedicated to our mission, Holtop consistently strives to provide energy-efficient products that enhance indoor air quality, promote human health, and support environmental preservation. Holtop makes air handling healthier, more comfortable, more energy efficient.